Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Yeah guys, you know we are still in the spirit of Christmas. Welcome to another vlog. I'm not sure this vlog is going to be that long, okay, because I'm not feeling too very well today, but I have to vlog because of course, you know. Yeah guys, so let's get into the vlog. Yeah guys, before I start talking, let's get into the vlog, okay guys. Okay guys, don't mind me that I'm and that is my soup. Okay guys. Alright guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you enjoy watching to this point. And when you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And thank you so much. Shout out to Sheila, shout out to Slice of Sam, shout out to Stay Sweet Cuisine, shout out to Niger Mom in Australia. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for watching my Vlogmas. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all my unsubscribers. I do hope one day you guys will subscribe and continue to enjoy my content. Please leave me a nice comment and let me know if you're enjoying watching my videos, my Vlogmas, and my other videos. Thank you so much guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.